This recording will look at exporting up to 50 records from an EBSCO database. In this case, I'm using CINAHL. When you've logged into an EBSCO database using your Queen Margaret username and password, you've effectively logged in at an institutional level. To be able to export results to your RefWorks account, though, you need to create your own EBSCO account. To do this, go up to the Sign In option that you'll find along the top of the screen. You'll be presented with a Sign In page. Scroll down and you'll see an option to create and register a new account called Create One Now. Click on that. On the Register page, you are given two options. One to sign up with your Google account, the other to set up an account directly with EBSCO. If you choose to set up directly with EBSCO, you need to provide certain details, along with creating your own username and password. Once the details are filled in, an account is created for you. Back on the main page, to sign into your new account, again click on the Sign In button that you'll find along the top of the screen. Either sign in with your Google account details or sign in with your username and password that you've created. Exporting up to 50 records at a time involves a two-step process. The first step is to save the records to a folder in your EBSCO account. The second is to then import those saved records to your RefWorks account. The next step is to create that folder in your EBSCO account that you want to save the exports into. To do this, go up to the Folder option along the top of the screen and click on it. Scroll down the page, and on the left-hand side, you'll see there's an option to create a new folder. Click on that. Give the new folder a name. You can add a description if you wish to, and when you're ready, click Save. You can find the folder on the left-hand side of the screen. Use the back option that you'll find on the top left-hand side to go back to the search screen. The next step is to run the search. You can continue to refine the search until you're happy with the results that EBSCO has returned. When you're ready to export the results, click on the Share button that you'll find at the top of the results list. From the options that you're given, click on the top one, Results. You'll then be presented with the folders in your account. Select the folder you wish the results to be exported to, and click on the folder's name. The next step is to click on the Folder option along the top of the screen, and then click on the folder that the exported references have been saved into. Then click on the Articles option. This has opened up the folder to reveal all the articles that have been saved within it. On the right-hand side of the screen, you will see an option called Export. Click on that. You will be taken to the Export Manager page, where you can choose from several options on the right-hand side of the screen. To export to RefWorks, make sure the option Direct Export to RefWorks is checked. On the left-hand side, there is an option to remove the items from the folder once the records have been exported into RefWorks. You can do this by simply checking the box. Now click on the Save button. You will be presented with two options. Click on the bottom option to export to the legacy version of RefWorks. You'll be asked to log into your RefWorks account. Go down to the bottom option on the grey box on the left-hand side, and you'll be presented with a search box. Start typing in Queen Margaret. Then log in using your Queen Margaret username and password. Once logged in, RefWorks will immediately start importing your references. Once completed, you'll be given an option to view duplicates if you wish, or you can move straight to view the articles, clicking on the View Last Imported folder. RefWorks automatically saves any newly imported references into the Last Imported folder. You can access this folder from the list on the right-hand side. From here, you can move or copy the references into other folders.